And let's just go across to Parmeshwar for our daily vaccination report update.
Let's dive right into the vaccination data. Now, if you notice, we saw a sudden slump right here, which was a Sunday. We had highlighted this before. But in a record, India has actually vaccinated 20 lakh people yesterday in the last 24 hours, which is quite a sudden jump. But again, positive development. If we have a look at the states with the highest percentage increase in COVID cases, we have Punjab still topping the charts with 0.61%. Now, while this does look like a decimal number, it is a quite colossal jump in cases. Punjab is followed by Maharashtra at 0.45%. We also have Gujarat at an increase of 0.21% in COVID cases, followed by Madhya Pradesh at 0.17% increase in COVID cases, and then Kerala at 0.2%. Now, in terms of how India is faring on the global scale, let's have a quick look. The US is still leading the charts in terms of COVID cases and COVID deaths. We have a 0.2% increase in cases in the US, followed shortly by India. Again, a 0.2% increase in COVID cases. We have Brazil followed after India with 0.6% increase in cases. Then we have Russia with a 0.3% increase in COVID cases. And then we end with the United Kingdom at 0.1% increase in COVID cases. Now, the key takeaways are India crosses a landmark in COVID-19 vaccination. More than 2.3 crore doses have been administered just in the last 24 hours. Now, Chief Economist of the IMF, Geeta Gopinath, has also hailed the country for playing a very important role during the crisis by manufacturing and shipping the COVID-19 vaccines to several nations, explicitly saying that India really stands out in terms of its vaccine policy. Now, the new cases of coronavirus infection in India were recorded above 15,000, while the recovery rate has increased to 96.93%. The big worry, though, Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Karnataka continue to report a surge in COVID daily cases. These states cumulatively account for 84.04% of the new cases reported in the past 24 hours.